What should I make for lunch today? Shall I make bhindi? But I need to clean and cut it, and I have a meeting in 30 minutes. What about palak? It would take even longer to process palak. Let's just order something from outside today.
This can all be avoided if we have vegetables that are cleaned and cut in our fridge. Let me show you how I do my weekly vegetable shopping and how I store them so that we can have easy, healthy and home cooked meals throughout the week. It might take few hours from your weekend, but it makes your life very easy for the entire week when you have a very busy schedule, meetings and a lot of things going on.
The first step is obviously to open your fridge and see what vegetables you have left from the past week and what needs to be bought. So this is where I keep all my dairy products, extra milk packets, butter, cheese, fresh cream, Milkmaid and everything else. So I will just check everything in my fridge, vegetables, fruits. If I have any leftover sabji or something, I will take it out so that I can utilize that for lunch or dinner. This way nothing goes to waste and the fridge is clean and empty before we stock new vegetables in it. And I clean the fridge as I go. I don't wait for a monthly deep cleaning or something like that. Before I stock new vegetables in my fridge, I will just clean it. I also try to utilize the door of the fridge to the maximum capacity so that I can stock a lot of vegetables and fruits easily in my fridge. So these are all the vegetables I got. I laid them on the platform next to my sink. I have two platforms, so on the second platform I have laid down these kitchen towels to dry vegetables on, and I have taken out containers of all sizes and shapes so that we can store different vegetables in it. I use these plastic containers as well as these cotton fridge bags to store my vegetables. I mostly store my leafy vegetables in these cotton bags. First step, I will wash all the vegetables that need to be dried so that meanwhile when I am cutting and chopping everything, these would be dry and I can cut them and store them in my fridge. I lay them on my kitchen towels and let them dry. I have washed bhindi, capsicum, pumpkin and guarfali. Pumpkin and guarfali I got pre-cut. Now I will let everything dry. While those vegetables are drying, we will go ahead and sort other vegetables. I have these two baskets in which I store my potatoes and onions. I will fill these baskets with the new stock that I got for the week. I have taken a plastic container. I am lining it with kitchen towel and I'll go ahead and store my cucumber in it. Similarly for the carrots, I am lining a plastic container with kitchen towel and storing my carrots. We can also store carrots and cucumber in these cotton fridge bags. That way they occupy less space. I will take off the stems from the cauliflower. I am breaking the cauliflower into small pieces. I am not cutting it completely. I am just making small pieces so that it would be easy to store. I am taking out outer leaves of the cabbage. I will cut it and store it in a plastic container lined with a kitchen towel. I'll also store my pumpkin and guarfali in containers lined with kitchen towels. I will take out seeds from my capsicum and then I will slice it. I'm making large slices so that if required I can chop them into fine pieces as well. I have this big container in which I store my tomatoes so they are not squeezed. To store leafy vegetables, I use newspaper and the cotton fridge bag. I will remove the leaves and then pack it in the newspaper and then store it in the fridge bag. It easily stays fresh for a week. And finally, I'll chop my bhindi and store them in a container lined with kitchen towel. These are all the vegetables cleaned and sorted for the week. I have arranged all my vegetables in the fridge. I make sure that anything that is cut is used within 2 to 3 days. I didn't get green chilies because I already have them in this box. I de-stemmed them and stored them. I also had ginger and curry leaves, so I didn't get them. They are best stored in a glass container. And we are sorted for the week. It is so satisfying to see a fridge filled with fresh vegetables. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.